So I just made it to my job, something that Hennessy does not have. And I'm about to shoot a music video.
The thing about the strip clubs too, like you don't feel as confident of yourself. Like after I got my breasts done, I actually thought that my body was perfect. And so I went to these hood clubs, and it's just like, damn, why this ugly ass monkey face bitch making more money than me just because she got an ass? Now I gotta buy me one. And then it's just like,
Did you